So today we have a Yamaha that has not been tuned for a long time, and we're going to tune it, but it's got some sticking keys over here. When you hit 1, 3 go up, 4 go up, and I can see that there's something between them, and it looks like the key weights have shifted and that's causing it. So we're going to clean the key bed. The other annoying thing is it's got this funny lid that opens that way instead of upwards. So you need to rest it on something. That's kind of a rare hiccup for Yamaha. Okay, so this is really interesting because it's clearly gathered a lot of dust that we're going to clear up. All of these back pins and all of the centre pins and the front rail pins look brand new. They're absolutely unscratched, undusted. It's a very intriguing piano. Oh great, dead roach. I hope the living part of this isn't still in there. Even the felting looks really new. Interesting. This is an interesting design on this Yamaha. The black keys do not have key weights, but the white keys do. Okay, so apparently what has happened is the lead has oxidized, causing it to expand, and this can lead to the key splitting. We can't replace the lead here, but we can sand it, but it is lead and therefore it is toxic. So we need to find somebody who can do that for us safely. All right, up and out today, off to go and tune another piano, one that I haven't seen, I think, for a couple of years. It's kind of interesting because a lot of pianos arrive with people arriving, and they also leave with people leaving, and sometimes you don't know if a piano is still here or not, and then a few years later you get a call and you go and fix it and it's like, oh, that piano is still here, that's good. So yeah, this is an old Samick that's now I think on its 3rd owner. So yeah. Today's little ride is very much off-road. Today we've got a lovely Baldwin. Quite an interesting piano to open up. And I get some shiny house slippers. These pianos are nice to work on because you can rest all of your equipment on the top of it, like this. That just pulls out to cover the keys. But whilst you're tuning, it acts as a little table.
Two hours later. One eternity later. Three weeks later. Many months later.
My baby boy on a piano. Oh, he had enough of being on the piano. Hello.